Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Swagatasi. How are you all? I hope you all are so fine. So first of all, please like, subscribe, share and comment on my videos and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today we celebrate 2 days. First is Father's Day and the second one is World Refugee Day. First we are going to talk about Father's Day. So let's start. Your father is indubitably the most important person in every family. He works diligently day and night just to keep his family happy and to pair with the involving society. He makes sure that none of the members feels dejected for lack of anything. Fathers take up all the responsibilities, be it the education of his children or every other monetary needs. He works every day in the quest of bettering everything and thus bettering the condition of the family. It is important that he be rewarded for what he is and what he has been doing for the whole family. From the very childhood, everybody should be taught to respect their fathers, no matters what ways it can be done. My father may be merely a man to the world, but to me he is my Superman, my superhero. He is the one special person for me in millions who has been there with me in all my thick and thin. He is the one who puts in every ounce of his energy in making me happy. It is disposal at which I had experienced all the periods of positive transitions in my life. Every day I get up in the morning, I look at my dad and think of being a man like him. I don't know, but there is something so special about him that makes me fall in love. His way of life. A father is someone every day who has a day full of profound reflection, and that is with regard to his children and family. He is the most important member of the family whose love for his children is just like oxygen for the survival of their lives. There is nothing that big that he could not do for his family, and there is no such sacrifice that he will not do. Every little thing he does make him great. Thank you, Dad, for being my father. And we all give some gifts to our fathers, greeting cards and gifts. So wish a happy Father's Day to all your fathers. Okay, so now let's talk about World Refugee Day. What is the importance of the World Refugee Day and what is the history of it? Every year, June 20 is devoted to bringing issues to light of the circumstance of refugees all through the world. As a rule, a refugee is an uprooted individual who has is compelled to cross national limits and can't get back securely. The main current day meaning of World Refugee Status was established under the Nations League in the year 1921 from the Refugees Commission. Following World War II and in light of the enormous quantities of individuals escaping Eastern Europe, the UN 1951 Refugee Convention categorized refugee in Article 1A2 as any individual who attributable to all around established dread of being mistreated for reasons of race, religion, nationality, and the participation of a specific social gathering or political feeling is outside the nation of his nationality and can't or inferable from such dread is reluctant to benefit himself of the assurance of that nation, or who not having a nationality and being outside the nation of his previous constant living arrangement because of such occasions can't or attributable to such dread is reluctant to come back to it. Each year on June 20 the world meets up to pay tribute of refugees. The UN Assembly fixed the celebration in the year of 2000. From that point forward, the worldwide network has gone through the day, concentrating on approaches to improve the lives of refugees. The more significant part of us realizes that refugees are driven away from their homes because of war, fear, or different emergencies. However, escaping their nation of origin is frequently simply the start of a troublesome execution. Numerous refugees end up living in camps until they, some of which are dangerous or unprepared for long haul living. World Refugee Day urges us all to ponder what we can do to help. It encourages everybody to be friendlier and helpful neighbors to refugees residing. So, a refugee is someone who survived and who can create the future. Thank you. I hope you like this video. So, please like, subscribe, share, and comment on my video. And don't forget to press the bell icon.